Ah, go on, Nettie, you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
You don't see your umbrella forward back over there from over there.
No, stop me to see him.
Alright, man. Just want to know say you not circle up the block. Cause I left two niggas over there to go and watch the place. You hear that?
Alright. So you good, Lando?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. Just to make sure say you're governing now. That's why I shout you, though.
So you alone out there juice bar? Wife you not out there with you?
You know what big things are going on with it, man. But here we are going still. If anything, you can lock up the place and make move here. Because I don't think I'm going to reach in till tomorrow, though.
Alright then, so me see you tomorrow.
Cool, no problem. That's the right thing, man.
For one Bishop.
Oh, go on, Miss President. I deal with this, pa. I'm forward around and so I can hold a talk, you know.
Is the next part of the workspace this Bish?
Yeah, you know. What kind of juice this thing? You know what's on a juice, though? I water them.
Looks up.
Mm-hmm. I make you color chicken and throw a lemongrass water, you know?
Lemongrass. It have sugar in it?
No, not all of them, you know. Them one are honey. Next one, them are sugar, you know?
Yes, a lemongrass. Lemon in it, but where grass come from?
No, lad. Wait, whisper. I thought when you come from, no joke. I go like you don't know fever grass. I hate them call lemongrass, man.
You know, fever grass, if you say, brother, that the know.
Alright, Bishop. From what day I notice how Uno call the meeting then. What this all about now?
So I want to go on the ground now. I look like a big things are going over there now.
I don't want to no feel like say pressure me a pressure on me, you know. But the little thing that we already talk about already. They done sending the paperwork them already, so I go on. I hate me a deal with that now.
Vicious, you know say you're very impatient. And this you call me down here for? For know if you get a weapon?
Brother, them things they take time, you know. And a joke thing, you see me?
Well, time and patience they up a lint, you know, bad man. And me I be honest too, you know. Things are going right now, you know. Pertaining to my business place over there. You know.
Things are going. Like what?
Same phone thing where we are talking about, man. Boy forward over my bar and I go on like saying one in a chatting with all the bartender about put credit on phone and Ray take phone out all bag. I like them style, man.
So, how you having a weapon, I can stop that from happening.
Whisper, what you talk about? The boy you talk about licking a face, I talk about he want dig off all man face and when me go so. Not that you don't even know what to ground that me have to draw for.
So you want to put yourself in a more problem for when you go so and you feel and you go so. Where they are going to do?
You mean, Miss Brissett? I pick on have to come picking up. And that me I tell you no. Left all the report, and that me I tell you. Right when man I go to school.
So, bitch, even if you do that, and you say you want to get the weapon, you think it will make the process longer, brother. We can't make the people them find out that say you're moving, bro.
Let me explain something to you. The firearm them where I try to get for me. It don't make you an agent, you know. It's not an open license. It's for you to take care of your business.
Right now, me dey even business in Miss Brissett. You know when the last thing the boy said to me? What him have a circle. Can't take them things there for granted.
That's it. I don't think it's all work, you know.
Tell me say a joke you make. And it's not a mistake where I make. Forget them firearms there, you. We're ready to know, you know. We're just not going to put away credibility and the career on the line for careless behavior.
Brother, you have to be more smart, see? Can't just a jumpy, bro.
You ready for talk with sense? How well listen?
Miss Brissett. And you just go on at the bar, you know. Or you go on with Butcher too. I remember saying I run a business now. And we have to in the streets.
Them not put on the license firearm phone up there now. You see, if you can prove say your business is at risk, you not get it.
And one of the most important things, them, how people view you in your community. We have to ask it is the same thing, you know. You see when them are forward in the community for ask about you and it is. You're not going to know, brother.
Whisper then enough forward from my black brother. You don't see it. People are real to man, they have mad love for you, you hear that?
Love or fear? You have to know the difference, you know. Because based on your behavior, that look more like fear.
No man, Miss Brissett. People know how me stay, you know. Because you see when me I defend my community, I just brawling and stay so.
I think you're over the rest. So when you move brawling, so brother, that not assist with you getting a weapon. This is a different level, brother.
We do our part already in a vicious. We just have to wait upon them to do them due diligence, which is them background check upon UNO for see if we're not upstanding citizens.
And we don't have nothing to do with that. We can't speed it up. We have to allow that to them.
When I want to take out my talk, you know, and feel say me are the same, you know.